located at the deepest part of the ocean, found. They have been there long before humanity. You think you know this world, but they know it better.
The reptilians are defending their cause, and we have to defend ours. Suit up.
The war against humanity has begun, and it starts in Kingston.
Yo, you a travel halfway through Constant Spring, last bus a leave.
Created by Courtney Cross, the first man in Jamaica to produce a 24-minute animation in 4 months.
This is going to hurt.
Thalia needs you now more than ever. You should be out there saving the world, not hiding behind the comfort of your walls. God is needed for me. I can feel her energy, but I just can't locate where she is.
Let's get this show on the road.
The aliens say humanity will be the destruction of this earth.
This war is a part of our destiny. Humanity have been polluting this earth for far too long.
This has to end.
Tell me you're not seriously thinking that.
Open up your cream like a me warriors officer.
Can't change into him again. I can't be responsible for the destruction of another city or destroying an innocent alien aircraft.
Jamaicans, are you ready?
Hey you know! Look like them no know some in there.